Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you what is WooCommerce and why you should use WooCommerce for your e-commerce store. Well, before we start, I would like to suggest you to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get the latest update. Alright, so choosing an e-commerce platform is quite a challenge these days because of the availability of so many great platforms such as WooCommerce, Shopify and Magento, and other as well. Well, in general, these platforms do the same thing, but their features and compatibility are different enough to merit discussion. According to the stats, WooCommerce is by far one of the best platforms for digital commerce. Well, without a doubt, WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress, and it was developed by WooThemes, who hired Mike Jolly and James Koster, developers at Gigawatt, to work on fork of Gigashop, which later became WooCommerce. In 2015, Automatic, the operators of WordPress.com and a core contributor to WordPress, acquired WooThemes and WooCommerce. Well, why WooCommerce is the best? The best thing about WooCommerce is its tight integration with WordPress. As a result, you do not have to deal with two separate software, and you do not go through the hassle of two separate logins for your website because of the underlying foundation of WordPress and its own feature. WooCommerce users have a complete package that can be further extended by customization and extensions. If you are using WooCommerce, you can use a lot of extensions and themes which you can use and customize your website according to your requirement. Now let me show you about WooCommerce usage and stats of 2020. So you better understand why WooCommerce is the best choice. Well, WooCommerce is an open source platform and quite easy to use for both developer and store owners. As I said, you can create any type of e-commerce store using WooCommerce. If you have a pet shop, you can create an e-commerce store about pet shop. And if you have any other products like clothing and jewelries and any other you have a product, so you can easily create WooCommerce store using those products. On the other hand, you can also create a dropshipping store. You can use any dropshipping plugin, let's say a lead dropship or Shopmaster and any other. So you can use those plugin and create your own dropshipping store. Like you don't have a product but you want to create a store, so you can use a dropshipping store. In fact, you can also create a affiliate store, you can use Amazon services, and using Amazon services you can create your own affiliate store. So that is the beauty of WooCommerce. You can create any type of websites, any type of store. So let's move on the WooCommerce usage and stats 2020. Let me show you why WooCommerce is the best choice. Well, WooCommerce power of 28.19% of online store. That means about the 100%, 28% is WooCommerce share. So you understand why WooCommerce is one of the best choice. And the remaining percent will be divided to Shopify, Magento, Prestashop, OpenCard and others. Now you can see that 3 million live websites are currently using WooCommerce. That is a big number. And 22% of the top 1 million e-commerce stores use WooCommerce. like a top e-commerce store, 1 million top e-commerce store, which is 22% using WooCommerce, and others are using Shopify, Magento, Prestashop, and OpenCart, etc. So that's why one of the big reason WooCommerce is the best choice. And next we can see that 93.7% of all WordPress e-commerce store are powered by WooCommerce. That is amazing number, 93%, you know that. And WooCommerce is the most popular plugin module on the entire internet with 68% usage distribution. And what is the beauty? Like the beauty is there are 980 plus plugin for WooCommerce on WordPress.org alone. Like in WordPress.org, you can see that over 980 plugins are available, which is powered by WooCommerce and which is totally free. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to download, install, and configure. That's it. And the last thing is there are 1267 plus WooCommerce themes on Theme Forest alone. Like WooCommerce theme available on Theme Forest, and you can, that is not only Theme Forest actually premium version. You need to pay for the theme and buy the theme, and then you need to customize it. But there are many like thousands of themes available which you can use free of cost and customize it according to your requirement or as per your client requirement. Like let's say one of the best theme is Astra theme, which is totally free, and you can use it and create any type of website, whatever you want, whether it's WordPress blog, real estate, or any services, or any small businesses, or e-commerce store. Using WooCommerce, you can create it easily. Like they provide a lot of demos, and by using any of these, you can create your online store. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. So till then, goodbye and good luck. See you in the next video.